Do you need precision welding for medical device assembly? FiberStar lasers are the highest performing manual micro welding lasers in the world. Traditionally, the entry-level price has excluded many customers from benefiting from the technology. But now, after many years of innovation in testing, LaserStar is introducing the brand new 7604 FiberStar Compact. This point-and-shoot system is extremely easy to use, has a minimal cost of ownership, and operates 24/7 for many years. Imagine effortlessly welding components as small as 1/1000th of an inch in diameter in a matter of seconds. Your boss and your colleagues will be thrilled when they see the speed at which your projects progress. So, if you want to learn more about the new FiberStar Compact, click the link below and get in touch with a LaserStar expert today.